West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has launched an all-out attack on Prime Minister Modi this after she skipped a review meeting held in the aftermath of Cyclone Yas on Friday. Mamata accused the Prime Minister of creating confusion and confrontation in Bengal. The Chief Minister said it was not the Prime Minister, but instead she was insulted by the centre. She's also alleged that centre is trying to defame her. Stepping up the attack, she went on to say the BJP can't digest its recent defeat in Bengal and asked the centre to stop humiliating her.
What is our fault? Why we didn't enter the meeting? We didn't attend the meeting? The meeting was not what was decided earlier, PM-CM meeting, it was not. The revised list I have with me, there itself said the Honorable Governor will be here, the ministers will be there, the opposition leaders will be there. Okay, look, I have no problem. But you tell me, why 2 consecutive years you have not recognized the opposition political parties in Delhi Parliament under your guidance? If you have so free and fair. Number 2, why in Gujarat last week you went there? Why you not called opposition leader there? It is your state. Even Odisha also opposition leader was not there. In my state, whenever you come, you create some confusion and always you create some confrontation. Why? I have preoccupied programs, and that is also totally, it was cyclone affected programs, the disaster area affected areas to go. But when I thought that Prime Minister is coming to give him respect, we cut short our program. First we went to Hingolganj, then we went to Shagor. Then even Shagor also, you should know it. Some people are saying that why Chief Minister didn't receive Prime Minister. There is no need that every time Prime Minister, Chief Minister is to receive. There are some political program also sometimes. I have a respect for Prime Minister, I have a respect for Home Minister, I have a respect for other also. This is a courtesy. Constitution protocol we always used to maintain. But you tell me, why you people are behaving with me like this? You cannot digest the defeat. That's why from day one, you started this type of actioning. Every time you are going for confrontation, what happened when I went to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's program? What happened? You people have noted everything. I don't have anything to say. You have seen everywhere. That meeting also for COVID meeting. You called us. You didn't allow us to speak.
प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ में बंगाल के केंद्रीय मंत्री और वहां के नेता विपक्ष थे। अगर ममता बनर्जी को लगता है ये बंगाल का डेलीगेशन था, तो ये राजनीति से प्रेरित है और कहीं ना कहीं वो बंगाल की जनता का हित नहीं चाहती हैं। उस बैठक में बंगाल के गवर्नर भी थे। ममता बनर्जी को समझना चाहिए कि इन मीटिंग्स की एक मर्यादा होती है। प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय और मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय का एक प्रोटोकॉल होता है और उन्होंने इन